On the channel, we've broken down a lot of complex molecules for many different conditions, but one molecule that is a historical staple in treating bacterial infections is known as doxycycline. It has a molecular structure depicted here in purple, which is quite complex, and it's a broad-spectrum antibiotic. It's also referred to as being bacteriostatic because it inhibits the growth of bacteria, but not actually going in and directly killing them. It's almost pausing them or freezing them in time so they're not replicating, allowing the immune system to come in and destroy them. And we're going to talk about that mechanism in just a minute. It also has some other uses, such as being used in anti-inflammatory conditions, as an anti-malarial, as well as for treating acne. But the primary mechanism that we're focusing on in this video is for bacterial infections, and that can be respiratory infections, sexually transmitted infections, for Lyme disease, as well as for an anthrax exposure. And if we zoom in on how a bacteria actually grows and divides, is it needs to make more proteins, and then those proteins will be able to assemble and then build more bacteria. In order to do that, DNA is turned into mRNA, and then that mRNA is read and turned into proteins. When it's read in bacteria, two subunits, the 30S and 50S ribosomal subunits, which are also proteins, come together and sandwich that mRNA. They then begin scanning along, reading it, almost like flipping through the pages of a book, so they know what protein to build. However, when doxycycline is added, it's able to specifically bind to that 30S subunit, not allowing it to interact with the 50S subunit, so therefore that complex can't scan along the mRNA, or the pages of that book can't be turned, so therefore they don't know what protein to build, and essentially all protein production is stopped. By stopping that protein production, that's what allows the immune system time to come in and clear out that bacteria before it can amplify and make somebody really sick. Now, one question some people may have is, how is doxycycline able to stop protein production for bacteria but not stop protein production in mammals or in humans? And that's because we have two different sizes of subunits. We have a 40S and a 60S, which are a little bit bigger than the bacteria's 30S and 50S, allowing doxycycline to be highly specific for bacteria. So if you have another molecule, whether it's a historical drug or a brand new therapeutic that you want to learn more about, make sure to drop a comment on this video and stay connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin. Thank you for watching my latest video. And if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel by clicking over here. And you may also enjoy a related video that I have, which you can find by clicking over here. I'll see you on the next one.